Sounds close to product management problems.
Very much, very much.
Do you have people with product managerial skills or experience?
That's a good question. The reason I laugh is like we don't at the moment. So my team is essentially doing product management, building, supporting, operating at the moment. My hope is in the near future that will change. For us to be able to scale, we definitely need support on the product management side. Given that as the company grows, product management responsibility will be greater and greater moving forward.
Yeah, and this is something that I guess we see commonly, right, in the machine learning platforms, that it kind of members themselves. Sometimes, usually it's covered by the team lead of a machine learning platform, right, the project management aspect of it, like going out to the rest of the company and figuring out what to build and what's of the most importance to the use cases.
It's actually an observation we started using in the recruitment processes. When you want to find the right product manager for a company like Neptune, we definitely need product managerial skills, but we also need a person who understands the market, who understands the problems. And so, as you can imagine, it is not so easy to find one person with both skills. But members of ML platform teams, even though they would very often say, no, I don't have product management skill set and experience, effectively what they do, part of it at least, is product management, because they're not building it for themselves.
Yep, that's true. Yeah, it's very interesting. I mean, there's certain engineers that have that product mindset more than others. I think those potentially can play a bigger role in terms of the product management for the team. So maybe you can think about having those folks spending, I don't know, north of 50% of their time on product management and the remaining time on engineering, potentially, to fulfill some of those needs that the companies have.
What do you think are the most impactful processes that are kind of related to product management that bring the most value to machine learning platforms, building machine learning platforms, understanding the needs of the company, and what should be built next? Because
the number of customers that are internal teams that are using machine learning platform is increasing. And some of those teams are like fairly new as well because of new product. So the product management aspect comes into those pictures very valuable in terms of understanding those teams' needs and understanding where the platform is and their capabilities. And then figuring out the right pieces that we need to build to support and anticipate those use cases is extremely important. Because many teams are depending on us for their own project, right? So we need to align with them in terms of their needs and timeline at the same time.